What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Lexus RZ right in front of us here. Now the color of this car is in Sonic Iridium. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful under the spotlight that we have here at the showroom. Now when you move from different angles, you notice the silver shines a little bit more, a little bit of shade, looks a little bit different. Love this color, man. Sonic Iridium. Looks absolutely nice. Let's take a walk around, a quick walk around before we get to the close-up of what this car actually is and what this car actually has. So let's start off with the front. Now over here we have the daytime running lights that are located right up here. Your main headlights are these ones right here. High beam should be somewhere around happening over here. So beautiful layout. Love how the sensors are integrated here. This big grey opening that we have on the left and on the right makes this angle look super aggressive from the front. Now this is a fully electric vehicle. Now check that out, man, dude. Love how the grey finishes around here, goes back down here. And then there's some openings here for cooling purposes, I believe, for the battery, located right at the bottom, right there. Now, amazing design. Love the Lexus badge. You can't really feel it because it's like this glass finish. Number plate is located right there. You got some sensors happening all over the place, so it looks really nice. I love how the front hood has that line, comes in all the way down from the side here. Those two dark finishes, even right here as well. Check that out. Looks like a shark, man. Damn, looks really beautiful. Now let's move on to the side. We have the wheels that are located right here. Now the wheels on this are actually 20-inch wheels. I love how it's grayed out like this kind of like a smoked grey wheels, multi-spoke wheels. We also have the tire size in 235, 50, R20. Check that out, man, dude. Tire size is that, and brand is Dunlop tires on this. Got some Lexus badging right in the center of the wheel. Beautiful. Now you also have your charging cap, which is located right here. Now if you open that up, you will notice that you got your AC and your DC. Let's close that back, close this back, push that in. There we go. So we got your blacked out side mirrors. I personally love side mirrors that are black when the body of the car is another color because it looks really sleek. You got some black finishes all over the wheel arch at the bottom, and then you got them on the side mirrors, including the chrome side right here, this chrome delayed kind of a thing, so it has that black finish on the center. Then the top part is silver, but I would love to have this wrapped up in black with a PPF to protect the roof on top. Will look absolutely beautiful, man. Now you have some railings here that are also in another color. Beautiful, very clean. The shark fin like antenna, beautiful. Now 360 cameras are located right underneath here. It's beautiful. And your turn indicators are also at the side right here. Mirrors have your blind spot assist also. Now the beautiful part about this door is that, okay, this is to lock and unlock, right? But you don't have to pull it, just gotta put your hand in. And you notice that there's like a button on the inside that you can just press. So if I put my hand in and just press it, the door already opens. I just have to pull it. So cool, amazing. You have this suede finish on the inside, as you can see, leather top right here. I believe the mixture of some sort of fabric materials are used here, but you have some sort of man-made leather, I believe, including this leather over here. This looks like genuine. Opening up of the doors, electronic ones, you press it, then the door actually unlocks for you to open. You got your lock and your unlock happening right here, window to wind down, storage compartment. You got your speakers located right down here. You got your Lexus wording at the side plates right there. You got Lexus wording at the carpet right there. Amazing. Check out the interior. Now the finishing, beautiful. You got some suede finish, amazing suede finish, leather finish. Quality is superb, man, dude. Amazing. Seat adjustments, back, front. Let's have a seat on the inside right here. Now let's check out the interior. You got this chrome lining over here, and also this two-tone finish, and also another material at the top right here. Now, center screen super huge. Let's turn it on in a while more. But in the meantime, yeah, let's check that out. So in a while more, you get some introduction for this Lexus screen. Kind of cool. I like it. Nice. So if you press continue, perhaps then it leads you to other things to do with the car, but I'm not going to be talking about that just yet. But I love how they have a screen angled up to the driver. You know, it's kind of nice. Wireless charging, I believe, should be here. This is your P, this is your drive to roll, reverse, neutral if you press it in. And then you got your handbrake located right here, traction control, auto hold, and yep, cup holders right here. And this one right here would be storage compartment for you to keep some stuff. Amazing layout. Open it from there as well. Plenty of charging type C is happening here. Phone charging, phone charging, another one right here, USB connectivity. You got your view for your turning, for your your camera side, right? You have that, and also you get your auto parking, I believe this car has. So beautiful. Start button will be located right there. Now we will go to the driver's seat in a while more. But in the meantime, frameless mirrors, amazing. You got your door lighting over there. Center part, you open up, this car is still very new, so your mirror is located right there. Let's push that back, close that. Now, the inner part of this car is dark. The roof is bright, so that's how this car is designed. Amazing. This is me sitting comfortably. Your seat belt is in black. Yep, cool. And also you get this sitting position to be comfortable enough. I think I am comfortable, very comfortable in fact. I need to be moving a little bit forward because sitting with my leg too straight, I think, yeah, this is much more better for me. So, cool, beautiful design. You also get your, I think this is just an accessory they install, not sure if it comes with the car, but yeah, your Lexus dash cams, amazing layout. Now, check out the doors. Let's close the doors for you guys to feel what is it like. I love how when you close it, right, that sound it gives you, like it's airtight and you're not hearing a loud bang when you close the door. So the build quality is awesome. Open up the doors, there's this button right here. Push it. And then we open up. Amazing finish for the doors. Now let's move to the rear. Same thing, press, pull. So it's a button. The handle doesn't really open up fully, but yeah, it does the job. So we are here at the rear seats right now. We have the opening up the doors right here electronically, window winding down, lock, unlock. It's amazing how the rear doors have the lock and unlock. So not all cars have the lock and unlock feature for the rear doors, but in this case, the Lexus comes with it, the RZ. So handle to close the door, and also you get your storage compartment for your bottle perhaps, and your speakers are located down here. Check out the space at the rear seat, guys. The finishing is superb. Seatbelt is black. Now we are going to be going in to have a seat on the inside to show you. Check out the space. This is absolutely amazing, man. I'm right here right now, and check out. Damn, man. The space is awesome, awesome, awesome. So we have storage compartment to keep some stuff. The legroom is fantastic, you know. You got your air vent adjustments right here. You have also your other heated and cooling ventilation systems happening for the seats, I believe. Type C charging all over the place. Amazing layout design. Check out the center, beautiful. And let's move to the center right now. Now we are in the center seat, comfortable. It's very comfortable, in fact. This car is nice. Lightings, roof is bright, half of the car is dark, so amazing in its own way. Me sitting comfortably here. Now let's move to the right side. Now we are right here behind the driver's seat. Amazing, comfortable. Lock, unlock even for this door as well. So not every brand gives you that, but in this case Lexus does. So let's open up the door, show you guys how much space this car has. So beautiful design. Now in the center here you can fold this down also if you wish to, and you got your storage place to keep your cup. Push it back up. I love the finishing. The material is awesome on the car. Beautiful. So let's get down. Let's show you guys the rear tires before we head down to the boot. Now again, these are 20-inch wheels, Dunlop tires. Let's check out the tire size, 255, 45, R20. So these are the tire size for these beautiful wheels. Again, I love how this sort of like a gunmetal finish kind of a wheel, you know. Looks really beautiful. Now before we head to the driver's seat, let's check out the rear boot. Check this out, man, dude. Amazing storage space. Amazing storage space. Now the boots, the rear seats, you are able to fold it down, which we'll do it shortly. But in the meantime, Check out the storage place to keep the cable right here. And even the shade, you can actually take it off to put it down. The reason why we use this so that no one can actually see what's happening from the main glass to the boot in case they wish to create harm. Now before that, let's close the boot to show you guys the rear design. Now you get some Lexus wording in chrome, absolutely beautiful. Your brake lights will be located right there. I love how the tail lights are going to be a straight line all the way till there to there. You got your turn indicators as well as your signal light happening. So it is beautiful. Aggressive looking rear bumpers, some opening right there. Super clean like design for the RZ. You also get this RZ 450E for electric, direct 4 is what it says. Black bottom piece of a rear diffuser, very cleaned up design. You got your sensors located all over the place. Sensors, and all over the place, so cool. Number plate will be located right there. Camera right here. Beautiful design, guys. Okay, so let's open it back up. Now let's move to the driver's seat first. Before anything, let's open up the rear boot. And a while more lightings and all of that. But yeah, pedals. They are black pedals, as you can see. Front boot opening is here. Rear buttons are here to open up the rear boot. Memory seats for the driver, and you get your cruise control together with your odometer reading. You got your light adjustments here, high beam over here, upshift. You got your downshift, paddle shifts right there, amazing. You got again your cruise control settings over here, lane keeping assist over here, and other settings for you to choose. I believe it's for that screen. And this one right here is the control, I believe, that one over there. So volume up, volume down, other settings that you can choose. Scroll left and right, up and down, so this is for this side. The main screen, of course, you can do tons of stuff, but I won't be going through any of that. But in the meantime, this is the amazing wood finish that we have in the center, so it looks very, very clean and very nice. You got your air vent adjustments up here, nice, here as well, cool. Black finish on top again. Now this is me sitting comfortably in the front seat of the driver. Now, stunning look, head-up display over there, nice design. Let's close the front main door. Again, when it closes, it gives you that quality finish sound. You got your left and right mirror adjustments right there. You got your auto, I believe. I'm not so sure what that is for, but folding down the mirrors. But auto, perhaps, some fog thing to clear the fog, perhaps. This one right here is lock unlock. Window winding down, window winding up. Child lock for the windows and opening up the doors. Right here, storage compartment down there. Amazing look. Amazing look. So let's turn on the lights to show you guys. But before that, wait a minute. We have not folded down the rear seats to show you all how it looks. So let's fold the seat down. Now check that out, man, dude. Folding out the rear seats, you're opening up from the side there. Now let's do it for the other side for you guys to have a look. Check that out. Amazing, right? What about this one right here? Let's close that. You got these amazing storage compartments that is happening right here for the car. Beautiful, man, beautiful. So now let's turn on all the lights so you guys can have a look at how the car looks. Ignore the buzzing sound, but yeah, that's exactly what you're getting. Check out the rear lights, how it connects from the left all the way to the right. Now this is something I love about these modern cars because it looks really, really nice. The Lexus badging, then you get all of that. Amazing, right? How the lights just go. Now let's move to the front. Sorry about the buzzing sound, but yeah, amazing, right? The daytime running lights that are happening right here. You got your LED lights all over the place, but yeah, flashing of the lights, high beam should be somewhere around there. Turn indicators should be this, I believe. Let's take a look to see how true that is. Let's take a look. Amazing. So let's aim for the hazard lights right now. Beautiful design. Hazard lights right there. And turn indicators are located at the mirrors. Very small one. Yep, I'm right about that. This should be your hazard lights. Your signal lights are here. High beam should be integrated somewhere inside here as well. These are high beams also. So, same also. Cool. Amazing clean light design, looks absolutely beautiful. Love this car in terms of how aggressive it looks. Very sporty looking finish, aggressive looking, sporty and fun. So check out the rear again. Turn indicators are on the left right there. Reverse light should be somewhere around here. Brake lights also should be somewhere around the place. But yeah, cool, amazing design, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lexus cars, do head down to Subang Jaya, as this is their new showroom where they have tons of models on display from the other side, as you can see, all the way down to the blue one right there. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.